Since a few years we are using natural fibers inside our skis, and we are also trying to do some research about composite recycling in order to tackle the next big challenge that alpine ski is facing, which is climate change and CO2 reduction. The ski, in the behavior of the ski on the slopes, we need to have something which is flexible in the longitudinal axis, but stiff in the torsional in a torsional way. So this is easy to handle with composite, because with the way we put the fibers, we can decide on how stiff we want it to be in flexion, in torsion, and we can manage the different modulus of the ski. My first advice is first not to be afraid of that. It could be challenging for some people that don't know it from the beginning, but there's nothing to be afraid of, and then it's a very nice process, because in terms of shapes, there's a multivariety of shapes that we can do, and if a company would start right now using composite, I would advise him to think already of the recycling from the start, because we see it in our factories, which is producing 1 million pairs of ski a year. Changing something in the composite industry is always tricky, but starting with the right solution from the beginning would be much easier. And in the context of global warming, lack of resources, etc., the recycling topic will be the next challenge if we want to master the way we handle materials. So. The main challenge of composite in the future will be to handle the recycling. In our case, in the ski industry, we have a product which is a blend of different material, which is made of something like 20 components, including steel, aluminium, fiber, resin, wood, plastics, inks. So it's a lot of stuff that are connected together with composite, and then the recycling of it needs to be worked on very intensively in the future. I think it depends on which process do we compare. But speaking of if we compare it to injection molding, then for sure the price competition will not be the right challenge for composite. But in terms of look, of complexity of the shapes, in terms of resistance, there are strong assets for composite in order to make beautiful and solid pieces, and for sure the performance aspect is the main advantage of composites in this area.